Okay. See you again in Bahasa dan Sastra Inggris, English of Literature. I hope you are fine today and you are ready to join my subject. Keep spirit, guys. Right. Before we continue our material, I will explain you about tujuan pembelajaran. Tujuan pembelajaran or destination learning. Analyze expression. Use a sentence and sentence using determiner such that to show case and effect. Berarti menganalisis sebuah ungkapan dan kalimat menggunakan determiner such that untuk menunjukkan sebab akibat. Sebab akibat, cause and effect. The next, use and respond to transactional dialogue or interpersonal dialogue, showing cause and effect. Okay, this is our material. Look at the picture. Yeah, look at the picture. And the picture number 1, there is a man. There is a man, and look at her trouser. What's the meaning trouser? Yeah, trouser artinya celana. Yeah, you know the trouser is so long. Yeah, so how to make a conversation about this picture? So from the picture, use about determiner so that or such that, begitu besar, begitu kecil. Picture number 2, there is a man and there is a lawn. Maybe what's the picture in his hand? Apa gambar yang ada di tangannya ini? Sebuah beban. Yeah, no, if you know if this goods is stone, yeah, I'm sure he cannot up it, he cannot lift it. Kalau ini adalah sebuah batu, maka saya yakin dia tidak bisa untuk mengangkatnya. So how to make a dialogue determiner so that from this picture? Mungkin batunya terlalu besar atau terlalu kecil. I ask you, please you feel this a dialogue. You understand? Next picture. Perhatikan gambar berikutnya. There is, maybe this is a student. And this student, if you now look at the watch. Silakan Anda melihat gambar di dinding. Ada sebuah jam. This is at 7 a.m. o'clock. Ini sudah jam 7. Sudah jam 7, dia baru terbangun dari tempat tidur. He is gets up at 7 o'clock. You know, if you are the student in senior high school private Pemda 1 Gunung Sitoli, if you get up like this, I'm sure you will get late at school. You will get late arriving at school. So because you get late, after that you go to school, so the teacher will punish you. This is 7 past 15 o'clock. Okay. Because you get late, so that is an effect. Karena terlambat, maka ada sebuah akibatnya. Akibatnya, the teacher will punish you. Can you understand about the picture? So make this dialogue. Make a short dialogue based on the picture above. Okay, we continue in the next task. Kita lanjut ke kalimat gambar berikutnya. Ini tugas Anda ya. Ini dikerjakan, dituliskan di selembar kertas. Please you write down in one piece of paper. This is your task. Next picture. Next picture. There is a girl, and the girl in front of her there is a cupboard. Do you know cupboard? Cupboard artinya sebuah lemari. And on the cupboard, that is a doll. Ada sebuah boneka. So how to make a dialogue based on the following picture? Apa yang terlalu besar atau apa yang terlalu tinggi? You know this picture, you know this cupboard is so high. Begitu tinggi lemarinya. So how to make a conversation? Because the cupboard is so high, so this girl cannot reach to take the doll. Gadis ini tidak bisa mengambil boneka yang ada di atas lemari. Why? Because the cupboard is so high. Terlalu tinggi. Okay. We continue in the next picture. Picture number 5. Yeah, do you know this is main street. Main street artinya jalan raya. In the main street, you know the traffic jam. Yeah, there is a traffic jam, kemacetan. Yeah, because sometimes why is traffic jam happen? Mengapa kemacetan bisa terjadi? Maybe the driver doesn't obey the traffic regulation. Kenapa bisa terjadi kemacetan? Ya mungkin karena polisi tidak mematuhi rambu-rambu, lalu bukan polisi tapi supir. Ya, the driver are not obey the traffic regulation. Berarti supirnya tidak mematuhi rambu-rambu lalu lintas. So there is a traffic jam. If you see this picture, the street is so overcrowded, sangat padat kendaraan. Ya, so that make a traffic jam. So how to make a conversation, a short conversation based on the following picture? Bagaimana membuat percakapan berdasarkan gambar yang ada. Can you understand the picture? Yeah, I'm sure you can understand. Okay, we continue. We continue. Make a sentence or expression using determiner, cause and effect. So that, such that, based on the following situation. Nah, berarti di sini Anda membuat kalimat atau ungkapan yang menggunakan sebab akibat, begitu besar, begitu kecil. So that. Situation number 1. The boys was not carefully to carrying the plates. Laki-laki ini tidak berhati-hati untuk membawa piring tersebut. He dropped and broke the plates. Akhirnya dia terjatuh dan piringnya pecah. Berarti so the boy was so that. Laki-laki itu begitu apa dia? Ya mungkin begitu ceroboh atau tidak hati-hati. Number 2. He speak softly. Dia bicara terlalu lembut. We cannot hear his speech clearly. Ya, kita tidak bisa mendengarkan pidatonya dengan jelas. Dia bicara terlalu lembut. Suaranya terlalu kecil. Kami tidak bisa mendengarkan pidatonya dengan jelas. Jadi apa sebab akibat di sini? Sebabnya bicaranya terlalu lembut dan akibatnya tidak bisa didengarkan pidatonya dengan jelas. That is number 2. Okay, we continue number 3. The water is dirty. We cannot drink it. Airnya sangat kotor, maka kami tidak bisa meminumnya. Ya, apa sebabnya? Air kotor, akibatnya tidak bisa diminum. So how to make a sentence? Number 5. The river is very wide. We cannot swim across it. Sungai itu begitu lebar, maka kami tidak bisa berenang untuk menyeberangnya. Ya, maybe if there is a big river, and if you cross the big river, if you don't have any ability how to swim, yeah, I'm sure you will get something accident. Do you know accident? Ya, kecelakaan. Maybe you can sink and you get die. Mungkin bisa Anda mati tenggelam. Okay, number 6. The bus runs slowly. We come to the city late. Busnya berjalan sangat lambat. Kami sampai di kota terlambat. Nah, berarti karena busnya berjalan sangat pelan, akhirnya sampai di kota terlambat. Ya, mungkin kalau sudah terlambat sampai di kota, semua toko sudah tertutup. Ya, so that is the effect if you get late, arrive it in the city. Number 7. The news is surprising. Everyone is surprising. Berita itu begitu mengejutkan dan setiap orang juga terkejut. Number 8. The night sky is very wonderful. I'm amazed. Ya, pada malam hari langit itu sangat bagus sekali. Maka saya sangat menyenangkan. Number 9. The dry season is so long this year. Musim kemarau sangat lama untuk tahun ini. Many wells, springs and river are dry. Ya, banyak sumur, wells artinya sumur, spring. Ya, spring artinya genangan air, dan river menjadi kering. And the last number, he worked it slowly. Dia bekerja sangat lambat. He could not finish the work on time. Dia tidak bisa menyelesaikan pekerjaan itu tepat waktu. Berarti this sentence consists of cause and effect. Hubungan sebab akibat. Ya, akibatnya dia tidak bisa mengerjakan pekerjaan itu tepat waktu. Apa sebabnya? Ya, because he worked it slowly. Dia bekerja dengan sangat lambat. Okay, can you understand? Okay, I hope you understand because that is so clear to you. And that's all our meeting today. Good morning and see you in the next meeting.